Longinentic Meditation. Part 4. Causes and Effects. Meditation 44. Positive actions of the mind. Please read Campo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Reciting in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the six realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the effects of the positive actions of mind. By giving up covetousness, you will have all your wishes fulfilled. By giving up wishing harm on others, you are free from harm to the body and the mind. By giving up mistaken views, your views are unerring and no perverted ideas will ever occur to you. Some Dharma friends have developed correct views. And are unfettered by discriminative thoughts. Having strong faith in the Dharma and the teachers, They are receptive to Dharma discourses when hearing them. Actually, a high IQ is not necessarily needed for practicing the Dharma. Sometimes a little naivety may even be more beneficial. A person with convoluted thinking when hearing the koan is likely to rebuke impulsively. It can be this way. That doesn't seem right. Or goes on to find fault with the profound teachings. Such propensity is the result of having held erroneous views in past lives. If you are not burdened by this kind of karma, you will be delighted when hearing Dharma teachings. In addition, words on virtue and loving kindness inspire you. While harsh or frivolous words turn you off. These are the results of having renounced wrong views. Keeping up with these three positive actions, you will be granted the happiness of higher realms. Therefore, resolve. I must practice the positive actions of the mind to the best of my ability. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.